Hi everyone, it's me Roselyn, and now we will discuss what are the requirements for you to bring on your visa interview for K1 Fiance visa. Okay, so I will state first all the documents from the beneficiary, and then next I will state all the documents you need to bring for your interview from the petitioner. Okay, so these are the documents you need to bring for your interview from the beneficiary. Okay, so first you have to bring your passport. Your passport must be valid for 6 months. And then next, you need to bring your visa interview appointment letter. And next, you need to bring your online non-immigrant visa application or DS-160 confirmation page. You must print the DS-160 confirmation page that contains the barcode information and bring it to your interview. But if you make DS-160 couple of times, just bring the latest and correct DS-160. Don't bring the other DS-160 that has an error. Just bring the correct one, okay? And then you have to bring your MRB slip or BPI receipt. Then next, you have to bring your birth certificate. Must be issued by the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, formerly NSO, on a security paper. It should be PSA now, not NSO, okay? And then next, you have to bring your certificate of no marriage or CENOMAR. You must also submit a CENOMAR issued by PSA if you are single. But if you are married, you have to bring your proof of termination of prior marriage, if applicable. You must submit official documents like divorce decree, annulment decree, or death certificate that prove all prior marriages contracted by you and the other petitioner have been legally terminated prior to the filing of the petition. Okay, you need to bring that. And then next, you have to bring police report or NBI clearance. Applicants age 16 years and older must have a valid record clearance for travel abroad from the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI. And the purpose should be for U.S. visa. Okay, and then clearances should be in the applicant's current name, birth certificate name, maiden name, and any alias or nicknames used, including different spelling you have used of those names. An official letter of explanation from the NBI is required for any notation of no criminal record or no pending case. Okay, so you need the NBI clearance. And then next, you need other country police certificates. Applicants age 16 years and older must also present police certificates from other countries where they live for 6 months or more after reaching age 16. So you have to request police clearance on other countries if you work or live in other countries. Okay, you need to request that. And also you have to bring your barangay clearance, and I believe you need cedula and barangay clearance if you want to request police clearance in the Philippines. Okay, then next, you have to bring your medical examination. All K1 and K2 visa applicants must bring a medical examination report from St. Luke's Medical Center Extension. That is SLEC brown envelope. After your medical and your medical is already approved, they will give you a brown envelope, and that is your medical examination result. You have to bring that on your interview. Okay, and then you have to bring also the 3025 SLEC vaccination records, then letter of intent to marry near the date is near on your interview, you have to make another letter of intent to marry. Don't submit or don't bring the letter of intent that you submit for your K1. You have to make another one. Okay? And then next, you have to bring visa photographs. You must bring 3 pieces, 2 by 2 colored photographs. And then just bring your eligibility letter if applicable, and then the I-129F copy from the embassy with alien number if applicable. If you receive your eligibility letter, but if not, it's fine. That is not a requirement. But if you have it, just bring it in case. And of course, you have to bring black ball pen. And also, you have to bring evidence of genuine engagement, like pictures together, chat, call, email logs, plane tickets, boarding passes, hotel reservation for visit or vacations taken together, bank or remittances records, if any. I know you already submit that when you file your K1 fiancé visa, you have to make another copy of that for you to bring on your interview, because most of the consular officer asked a picture coming from you or any evidence from genuine engagement. Okay, so on the next part, the petitioner's documents. You have to bring a copy of letter of intent to marry from the petitioner. The date should be near on your interview. And then copy of the petitioner passport bio page and petitioner birth certificate. And also a completed I-134 affidavit of support form may be useful to the consular officer to evaluate your petitioner's ability to be financially responsible for you. It should be original because there is a signature on the form. And then form 1040 for 3 years or tax transcript for 3 years. And wage statement or W2 form for 3 years. And then recent 3 months pay stub. And certificate of employment with position, tenure, and salary. And also bank statement that stated the date of the account was open, total amount deposited, and present balance. Photocopy is fine. And also the NOAA 1, RFE, if there's any RFE letter, the NOAA 2, and the NBC letter. So that's all the documents from the beneficiary and from the petitioners that the beneficiary should bring to your interview, because you need that. I'm not saying that all of that is a requirement, but I'm telling it to you that it must be good to be prepared than nothing. So if the consular officer asks you for a document, you can provide it. You can give it to him so that you will not experience 221G. That is when 221G is when the officer asks you for a document and you don't have it. They will give you a 221G. It means you need to send that documents to the U.S. Embassy before they decide if your visa is approved. Okay, so that's all the documents. After this video, I will include the text list of all the documents so you can review it again. So good luck everyone. Just believe in yourself. Trust yourself that you will pass your interview. It is very easy. You have to know yourself. You have to know your petitioners well, and you will be good on the interview. Okay, so good luck everyone. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.